Now well.
How are you?
Machala mama, come here, marabuta. Hey. See these people. Stop now. Stop
How are
now.
you?
I'm fine. How are you?
You look good though.
Thank you so much. This is the first time. Now, Hona mother is something good. Now, we're able to make a bag. I give my raki. Damn you! No. Eh, maramba. Hey, I give you Otele Ndi Mma. We ain't going to hear. It's the kid. Hey, what tell them back? Baby, listen.
What type of play?
Stop now. What are you doing? What are you trying to listen now?
Can you try it?
Guinea. Ha! Waiter! Please come. Please, I want to order white rice and stew with chicken sauce. Then I need a pepper soup, goat meat takeout. Then get me a bottle of wine.
I'm not so Gabriel, a way, Marabra, Weta, guess you make up what you got. Sorry, I got them. But I got a van, okay, but you within twinkle of an eye, you may well order. I never fried rice. Damn you, you didn't know he can. Makepara.
Hold on, no.
You know,
I should not order anything.
Oh, my came.
How dare you? So I left my house to come here to see you, and I will not order anything. Who are you? Sit down. Okay, sit down. Sit down.
Our sister won't know like
this. Sit down. You should have watched this girl.
Our sister.
They're not going to order anything. Who are you?
Our sister.
Can Nticha the guy? Nticha the one so. I'm going to post that dog for them.
Our sister.
One, Nticha the.
After
wash,
our sister never knew. I'm a tickle when you show. Well,
I'm not him, bro. How can I get my man? Can Nticha the once? Nticha the one. I will not order anything. It's very good. I can't give my
our sister off my hand, off my phone, I'm social media. Hey, Otele Ndi Mma.
We are in business now.